Ever wonder why your blood sugar spikes out of nowhere, even when you think you're eating healthy? Well, it's not just what you eat, it's how you eat and what you do right after. And if you're not paying attention, those silent blood sugar spikes can turn into a serious problem fast. But here's the good news. There are 5 super simple ways to drop blood sugar quickly that most people don't even know about. Stay tuned, because these might just save your health. 1. Take a short walk after eating. Imagine this. You've just finished a satisfying meal. Maybe a big bowl of pasta or a tasty dessert. You feel full, a little sluggish, and ready to kick back. But here's the thing. Your blood sugar is rising. For millions of people, this happens every day and most don't even realize it. Over time, constant blood sugar spikes can leave you feeling drained, foggy, and lead to serious health problems, like type 2 diabetes. The good news? There's an easy way to keep that spike under control. Take a 10 to 15 minute walk after eating. It may sound too simple, but it works wonders. Let me explain why. When you eat, your body breaks down the food into glucose, which enters your bloodstream. Normally, insulin helps move that glucose into your cells for energy. But when your insulin isn't working properly, that sugar lingers in your blood, causing trouble. This is where walking comes in as a game changer. Moving your muscles burns glucose for energy without needing insulin. And here's something else. Even 2 minutes of light movement every 30 minutes can make a big difference. This is especially helpful for people with type 2 diabetes, who often deal with insulin resistance. A quick stroll around your living room, pacing in the kitchen, or climbing a few stairs can lower blood sugar by 30 to 50 points. That's a big drop that helps you feel more alert, energized, and protects your body from high blood sugar's damaging effects. So next time you finish a meal, get up, move, and let your body do its thing. It's one of the easiest, most effective ways to keep your blood sugar in check. 2. Drink more water. Let's dive into something so simple yet incredibly powerful. Drinking more water. Staying hydrated is one of the easiest and most effective ways to manage your blood sugar. You may not realize it, but when you're properly hydrated, your kidneys work to flush excess sugar through your urine, helping to keep your levels balanced. But when you're dehydrated, that's when things start to go wrong. Without enough water, your blood becomes more concentrated, and the sugar in it starts to build up, leading to blood sugar spikes that can wreak havoc on your body. It's a lot easier than you might think to get dehydrated, and when you are, it can make managing your blood sugar a lot harder. When you're hydrated, your kidneys can do their job properly, filtering and flushing out excess sugar in your bloodstream. But when you're not drinking enough, your kidneys can't do that efficiently, and the sugar just stays in your blood longer, raising your blood sugar levels. In other words, water helps you manage your blood sugar by supporting your body's natural ability to flush out the sugar you don't need. Research has shown that people who drink more water are at a lower risk for high blood sugar compared to those who drink sugary beverages or simply don't hydrate properly. Sugary drinks like soda or fruit juice can quickly raise blood sugar levels, which is the opposite of what you want. On the other hand, regular water intake helps your body regulate blood sugar and even reduces insulin resistance, which is one of the major problems in type 2 diabetes. When you're hydrated, your cells work more efficiently and insulin can do its job better. So, how much water should you aim for each day? A good rule of thumb is 8 cups of water a day, but this can vary depending on your activity level and climate. If you're more active or live in a hot climate, you may need more to stay properly hydrated. A great way to ensure you're drinking enough is to carry a water bottle with you at all times. This can remind you to drink throughout the day, so you're consistently staying hydrated and keeping your blood sugar in check. But it's not just about drinking water, it's also about avoiding sugary drinks that spike your blood sugar. While soda, sweet tea, or juice may taste good, they do nothing to help keep your blood sugar stable. They only lead to spikes, which you definitely want to avoid. Now, let's talk about how quickly water starts working its magic. Within just 30 minutes of drinking water, your body starts processing glucose more efficiently. This means you're already helping to lower blood sugar levels and prevent spikes. Imagine, just one simple habit can have such an immediate effect on your health. Over time, consistent hydration can lead to better overall blood sugar control, making it easier to manage your diabetes and improve your quality of life. So, next time you're feeling thirsty, reach for water instead of sugary drinks. This small change can have a huge impact on your health, and it's something you can start doing right now. Drink more water, and you'll see how it can help keep your blood sugar in check while making you feel more energized and focused. 3. Make fiber-rich foods a regular part of your diet. Now let's talk about a real game changer for blood sugar control: fiber. You may not realize it, but fiber plays a huge role in how quickly sugar affects your blood. The beauty of fiber is that it slows down the speed at which sugar enters your bloodstream. While most carbohydrates break down into glucose quickly, causing those dreaded blood sugar spikes, fiber moves through your digestive system without being absorbed. This means it helps to slow down the sugar absorption, preventing those sudden spikes that are so common for people with diabetes. When it comes to blood sugar, adding more soluble fiber to your diet can make a noticeable difference. Research has shown that increasing soluble fiber intake can lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, especially for people living with type 2 diabetes. Some studies even suggest that a fiber-rich diet can lower the risk of developing diabetes in the first place. In fact, consuming more fiber over time can improve long-term blood sugar control and reduce insulin resistance. So, what foods are high in fiber and can help you keep your blood sugar stable? There's a wide range of options to choose from: oats, quinoa, lentils, beans, leafy greens, broccoli, apples, and berries. These are all excellent sources of fiber, and adding them to your meals is a great way to keep your blood sugar levels steady throughout the day. Experts recommend aiming for 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily. If you're not used to eating a lot of fiber, it's best to start slowly to avoid digestive discomfort. Also, don't forget to drink plenty of water to help the fiber do its job. One easy swap is to replace white bread with whole grain bread. You can also switch from fruit juices to whole fruits. These small changes can have an immediate impact on your blood sugar. Within just a few hours, you'll start to see how fiber helps stabilize your glucose levels, making it easier to manage blood sugar and feel more energetic. Over time, these simple changes can have a lasting effect on your insulin sensitivity, boosting your health in the process. But there's more. Fiber doesn't just stabilize blood sugar, it also helps you feel full longer, which can make it easier to maintain a healthy weight. A healthy weight is key for managing blood sugar, especially if you're at risk for or already have type 2 diabetes. So not only does fiber help with your blood sugar, but it also supports your overall wellness by preventing overeating and helping you stay fuller for longer. Incorporating more fiber into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Just start with small changes and build from there. Adding more fiber-rich foods to your meals is one of the easiest and most effective ways to manage your blood sugar and improve your long-term health. The best part? Fiber works quietly in the background, making you feel better and keeping your blood sugar in check. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and wellness insights. 4. Manage stress to keep your blood sugar steady. Now, let's dive into something that's often overlooked when it comes to blood sugar control: stress. It might seem like a minor factor, but stress actually has a huge impact on your blood sugar. Here's why. When you're stressed, whether it's from work, personal issues, or even just a lack of sleep, your body releases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones are designed to help you react quickly in a fight or flight situation by giving you an energy boost. In the past, that extra sugar would have been used up immediately for physical action. But in today's world, that sugar tends to linger in your bloodstream, raising your blood sugar levels instead. The problem is, over time, chronic stress can make it harder for your body to process glucose efficiently. When stress becomes a constant presence, it can lead to insulin resistance, meaning your body struggles to use insulin properly. This leaves your blood sugar levels elevated for longer periods, which increases the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Research has shown that people who are frequently stressed tend to have higher blood sugar levels and more difficulty processing glucose. One of the most effective ways to manage stress and lower cortisol is through relaxation techniques. Studies have shown that even just 20 minutes of mindfulness or gentle stretching every day can reduce cortisol levels, making your body more responsive to insulin. mindfulness practices, yoga, or simple deep breathing exercises can all help reduce stress and help keep your blood sugar level steady. So what can you do to reduce stress and help stabilize your blood sugar? Start with deep breathing exercises. Try sitting in a quiet spot and taking slow, deep breaths in and out, focusing only on your breath. If you have more time, a short walk in nature can work wonders too. The calming effect of being outdoors and moving your body is a great way to clear your mind and reduce cortisol levels. Another great option is progressive muscle relaxation, where you focus on relaxing each muscle group, starting from your feet and working your way up. These techniques not only lower stress, but also help stabilize your blood sugar in the process. Remember, it's not just about feeling calm, it's about giving your body the time and space it needs to relax, recharge, and regain balance. By making stress management a part of your daily routine, you're giving your body the best chance to control your blood sugar levels, and ultimately, that leads to better health and a more balanced life. 5. Prioritize quality sleep. Let's talk about something we all know is important but often don't take seriously: quality sleep. You've probably heard it before. Sleep is essential for your health. But when it comes to blood sugar, it's even more crucial than you might think. Poor sleep is like pressing the reset button on your blood sugar, but in the wrong direction. When you don't get enough rest, your body's ability to process glucose takes a serious hit. In fact, just one night of bad sleep can lower your insulin sensitivity by up to 30%. That's a significant drop, especially for those managing diabetes. But it doesn't stop there. Lack of sleep also triggers an increase in cortisol, the stress hormone. This hormone signals your liver to release sugar into your bloodstream, causing your blood sugar levels to rise. And if that's not enough, poor sleep also messes with your hunger hormones. You know the feeling. You wake up after a rough night and crave sugary snacks to get through the day. It's not just in your head. Your body is actually craving sugar because of the disruption in your hormones. The science is clear. Sleep deprivation makes it much harder for your body to manage blood sugar. One study found that people who were restricted to just 4 hours of sleep a night for a week started showing pre-diabetic symptoms. These included elevated blood sugar and worsened glucose clearance, issues that are often seen in people with diabetes. If that doesn't convince you to prioritize sleep, I'm not sure what will. Here's the good news. Getting just 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night can make a huge difference. Not only can it help stabilize your blood sugar, but it can also lower your risk of diabetes. One study found that people with type 2 diabetes who improved their sleep over the course of 6 months had better fasting blood sugar levels and improved A1C, all without making any changes to their diet or medications. That's pretty incredible, right? So, how can you improve your sleep quality? The first step is to turn off your screens an hour before bed. The blue light from phones, computers, and TVs can mess with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep. Next, create a cool, dark, and quiet environment in your bedroom. A calm, restful setting helps your body relax and enter the deeper stages of sleep. Lastly, try to stick to a consistent bedtime routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your internal clock, making it easier to get restful sleep. The benefits of a good night's sleep are almost immediate. You'll start feeling the effects after just one night of quality sleep: improved insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. And the more consistently you prioritize sleep, the more stable your blood sugar will be over time. It's a simple, free, and effortless way to improve your health and keep your body in balance. That's it. 5 simple habits to keep your blood sugar in check and feel your best. A quick walk, staying hydrated, eating more fiber, managing stress, and getting quality sleep. These easy habits can make a world of difference. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your health improve day by day. If you're ready for even more tips and recipes to help you take control of your health, check out my cooking channel. I've got delicious, diabetes-friendly recipes that are perfect for making healthy eating fun and easy. Tap the link now and start cooking with me. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know which habit you're going to try first in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.